This is CBS 4 News at 5:30.
They saw them screaming, saw them yelling for help.
Weeks after a mother's tragic parasailing death in the Keys on Memorial Day, her family now taking legal action. She was in town with loved ones from Illinois when tragedy struck. The parasail lost control and flew into the old 7-mile bridge.
Her son and nephew were also injured in that horrific accident. CBS 4's Nicole Lauren is in Coral Gables, where the family's attorneys announced a lawsuit.
Well, a lawsuit has been filed against the company Lighthouse Parasail for wrongful death and 2 counts of personal injury. Now, the family could not be here today, but the law firm representing them says this was a horrible and unthinkable tragedy.
The weather was horrific.
What was supposed to be a fun family trip turned into a nightmare. Supraja Alaparty, her son and nephew, went up in this parasail, but the trip quickly took a terrifying turn.
The boat faced a risk of capsizing because they could not control the parasail.
This video taken by a Good Samaritan who witnessed everything and came to their rescue. You can see the parasail being dragged across the water. In the lawsuit filed by the Haggard law firm, it says despite the poor weather conditions, Lighthouse Parasail continued their scheduled trip. It goes on to say the boat lost control and decided to cut the tether connecting the parasail to the boat.
All family members yelling to the captain, hook them, use a rescue device, jump in the water, do something to save our family. They saw them screaming, saw them yelling for help as the wind gusted again and took them away from the boat.
Alaparty and the 2 boys collided into the old 7-mile bridge. Alaparty did not survive. Her son and nephew rushed to a local hospital.
To think of, this child looking at his mother in her last moments. I mean, you've seen the picture. I mean, they are attached together, and she, according to the medical examiner report, she died of both blunt trauma and drowning.
The law firm says the regulations for water sports like this one need to be revisited before more tragedies happen again.
We have a problem with our biggest industry, the tourist industry, which is under-regulated, not inspected, and in some cases not safe.
Now, I did call the Lighthouse Parasail company, but I got no response. Now, on top of this lawsuit, they're also filing a lawsuit against Captain Pips Marina. That's where this parasailing company was operating out of. And they said they may not even stop there. They may also file for punitive damages. In Coral Gables, Nicole Lauren, CBS 4 News.